This AI art thing is amazing. I'm creating this style guide for a bunch of different personality types, and I had the AI art generate me a bunch of different color palettes. But there are 27 different personality types, my decodna interior design profiles. There's type 1 and type 7 all the way to type 27. I want to be able to use this color palette for multiple types. I put it into playgroundai.com. You can upload an image here and use it as a reference to make new images. And then you type in the prompt. See, this one was Colonial Revival. This color palette with this picture becomes this color palette, and this color palette can become this one. Each of the personality profiles can have a ton of examples of different color palettes. This is type 10, and these are the color palettes that I've generated for it just off of that style. I couldn't have done this 3 months ago. This is amazing.